A watcher, born from holy light, pleads unto the one to retreat within humanity. Granted only shall be a moon's passing amongst the fallen. Alas, the follies of men bear many fragile forms.
Hello everyone, welcome back with me and talk with me, D. Okay, so today what we gonna talk? We were gonna talk about something like singing in the intro. I know that all of you guys already look at the intro, right? Yes, we will talk about something like angel, a couple of angel. What is that? What's a couple of angel? Wow, I don't know what's that. What's a couple of angel? Oh, I'm really excited. So stay tuned on my channel. Stay tuned on these videos because we're gonna talk about it. Try with me, T. Okay, I'm your host. I'm T, and talk with me, T. Okay, how are you? I hope everyone enjoyed your quarantine day, and I hope everything will still fine and okay. And yeah, everyone will be healthy in this COVID-19 situation. I hope everyone can find the right and always in their positive mood. Okay, so today I'm not alone here. I have a special guest for all of you. Who is he? Who is she? Or who is that? Okay, she's a really horrible person. She will accompany me to class to talk with you today. So, who is that? Welcome. This is my friend, Delana. Hey. Hi.
Hi.
How are you today?
Hi everyone. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna watch video before jump to our topic. So we're gonna watch video first. Okay. Yeah, this video will relate with what will we talk about today. So let's play the video.
Habibi dan Ainun itu adalah film berdasarkan buku yang saya tulis yang dedikasinya diperuntukkan untuk Ainun yang selalu mendampingi saya. Rudi Habibi, ada film yang dedicated kepada ibu yang melahirkan saya. Karena saya adalah saya berkat perjuangan dua ibu. Ibu yang melahirkan saya. Dia estafet dan teruskan kepada ibu yang mendampingi saya.
Wow, that's an amazing video, right? Yeah, I really adore him so much. This Habibie, the former president of Indonesian Republic.
Okay, let's jump to the topic. He said in the video that there is an angel, a couple of angel. So what do you think it is? A couple of angel? Okay, a couple of angel. As you know that angel is a really special creature created by God. Angel is a protagonist creature that always obey God order. Angel is beautiful and kind creatures. In some religion, an angel is the mediator or connector between man and God. As stated from B.J. Habibie's speech, we know that a couple of angels are the wife and the mom, but women in our life that really have a big influence toward ourselves. Just like what he said, B.J. Habibie make a film for his wife, and there is a film too that dedicated to his mom that gave his birth. Because the struggle of two mom, a mom that gave his birth, then relate and continued to a mom that accompanied him, here he is today, become who he is. That is a couple of angel. So the couple of angel thing is really just about a mom and a wife. What if I am a girl? Yeah, if we only bluntly to the strict meaning of it, of course, a couple of angels can be considered as a mom and a wife only. But if we spread the meaning, a couple of angels is everyone else that really matter in our life, the one that bring our spirit and always encourage and support us, no matter how hard the situation. It can be everyone else, as long as they will bring you that same energy. Okay, so is there any relevant in business culture? Yes, there is three foundation of life: intention, dream, and a couple of angel. Intention constructed by our self souls is all about what we really mean to do. We should have a good and pure intention. And then dreams born from ourself. Your intention can transfer through your dreams. Dream is something that will always make you move forward and feel alive. Then, in the way we achieve their dreams, there is a couple of angels that will always support, encourage, and brighten your days. A couple of angels will make you stronger and make you always believe to yourself that, of course, you always can do it.